The legacy of the Tata family is a tapestry woven with vision, resilience, and philanthropy. At the helm, we have Ratan Tata, a visionary who transformed the Tata Group into a global powerhouse. His leadership style is marked by humility and a commitment to innovation, exemplified by the launch of the Tata Nano, the world's most affordable car. Ratan's father, Naval Tata, was a pivotal figure, nurturing the family's entrepreneurial spirit. He laid the groundwork for the Tata Group's expansion into diverse sectors, from steel to hospitality.
Ratan's grandfather, Jamsetji Tata, the founder, was a true pioneer, dreaming of institutions like the Indian Institute of Science and the Tata Steel Plant, which became cornerstones of India's industrial landscape. Ratan's half-brother, Jimmy Tata, though less in the limelight, contributed significantly to the family's philanthropic endeavors, focusing on education and healthcare. Then there's Ratan's cousin, Noel Tata, who has been instrumental in steering the retail and consumer goods sectors, ensuring the Tata brand remains synonymous with quality and trust.
The women in the Tata family have also played crucial roles. Ratan's mother, Suni Tata, was a strong influence, instilling values of integrity and compassion. The legacy continues with Ratan's niece, Alu Mistry, who is known for her work in social initiatives, championing women's rights and education. Each member of the Tata family embodies a commitment to social responsibility, ensuring that their legacy is not just about business success, but also about making a meaningful impact on society. Their story is one of dedication, innovation, and an unwavering belief in a better tomorrow.